everyone! La Precious Cuisine. Magluluto tayo ng low carb recipe. Beef strips with green pepper. Siyempre, meron salt and pepper. At ginisahan natin ng bawang, luya, sibuyas, at konting kamatis. Bon appetit! Don't forget to subscribe.